Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, we are featuring Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah. Yan, Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah. Okay, please don't forget to visit the channel. Kuha siya ng watch hour. I always play Ma'am Fatima every day, and also Ma'am living after 50s, and to all my members. Shane Pinasalon, Pink Lover 96, Turn from Life, Anipay, and then Honey Homes Beauty. And Fish 199, Fish 1999 also. They're my adopted membership Fish. Okay. So let's play one of the video of Ma'am Fatima. This one, happy place essential to mental health. Ito. This one. So shout out Ma'am Fatima sa your pictures ka ngayon. Kayo ni living after 50s at saka kasama yon si Shen, Ma'am Shen, Mrs. Salon. Promote pa rin natin yung bagong video niya, yung Close to You from Carpenters. Yan. We i-play naman natin si Ma'am Shen saka si Ma'am Fatima. So may ads pa si Ma'am Fatima. Pwede siyang escape. You can skip the ads of Ma'am Fatima right now because hindi pa siya monetize. She's not yet monetized. Okay, we need watch hour for Ma'am Fatima. So don't forget to support Ma'am Fatima for watch hour, and also Pink 96 for watch hour, living after 50s also. Okay. So don't forget also to visit Ship Hit Dice. Okay, or kuan ito. Yan. So shout out Ship Hit Dice. So nagloading pa yung si Ma'am Fatima kay Ma'am Shin. Ito nagpi-play na siya sa music. Close to You music sorry, from Carpenters. Cover from Carpenters. Yan. So let's promote the new video of Ma'am Shin. Yan. Then let's not forget Ma'am Fatima. Now she's still loading pa siya. Okay. So let's focus to muna ni living after 50s. The title of the video is made this much in just 2 hours. Wow. Yes. Comment mo tayo guys. Good morning ma'am. Good morning. Good morning ma'am. Watching now. Watching here. Yan. Woohoo! So, good morning. Living after 50. Yan. Chiphead, good morning. Ayan, si Ma'am Fatima is already the video is already playing. So, okay. That's the video of Ma'am Fatima Shahida. Keep in loading, and then the video of Ma'am Shen. Then so support din tayo guys sa mga member ko. Yan. So kain muna tayo. So let's eat muna. Sarap. Ubos. Sarap lang kain to. Really love sweet corn and kamote. Kamote is sweet dito. Rich in vitamins. Okay. Let's do the shout out, guys. Shout out to Farmer Boy. Ayan. Farmer Boy. We have also shout out to Baklik Sharma. Again, Korean singer. Shout out Young Won. Yan. Shout out to Kabiran Chi. Yan. The dog of kanang Fatima. This chick, ayan. Ma'am Shen is already playing the piano. Okay. Living after flip this one. Kajira. We have new subscriber, guys. Si Adi Bihas. Sub kayo. All. Yan. So, welcome to my channel, Mr. Abi. I will play you later. I will watch your video. So, shout out Fatima also. Fatima always yan. Shout out to my friends Stagtik. Yan, Stagtik. Si Tapalis. Yan. Shout out. And then Rodrigo Production. Sorry guys, may ubo-ubo tayo guys. I have cup and saucer. So, sorry, I have cup and yan. Charot. So, Fatima. Irene pala. Puro na lang ako Fatima at saka Ma'am Shin saka si Living. Naubot. So, Ameripino, shout out. Nagkuhanin si Ma'am Fatima comment. Okay. Yung video natin na pinukuan, nagko-comment sila sa kay ito yung video ni Kuan Juju Mix. So tapos na siya. Ma'am Shin done her Kuan music. Yan. Okay. Then Ma'am Fatima is nandiyan pa si Ma'am Fatima. And very relaxing place. Wow. Very relaxing place talaga yan. So next na lang tayo guys sa iba. Shout out tayo sa iba. Thank you for watching.